360 photo booths are everywhere right now. You've seen them at weddings, corporate events, and all over social media. But here's a problem. Many 360 platforms look good online, but can be a problem in real life. They can be bulky, heavy, hard to assemble, require tools and screws, and the cases can often break after a few events. That was my experience with other 360s, and it left me looking for a better solution. So today, I'm reviewing the Tortilla 360 booth by Photobooth Supply Co. It's one of the most talked about 360s in the industry. I've owned mine for almost 2 years now, and I've tested it at real weddings and corporate activations. I'll share the actual pros and cons and who this booth is really for. And if you're already wanting to pick one up for yourself, you can use my special Photobooth CEO link in the description below to get the best pricing available. Alright, I've been in the photo booth industry for over 10 years and I've run thousands of events. I added 360 booths to my lineup in 2022, and since then, I've worked with platforms like the Zentek Spinner and the OrcaView 36360. Both of those are great and amazing booths, super strong, professional, and they've served me well. But like any booth, they have trade-offs. For me and my team, the biggest challenges were around transport, setup time, and the weight of the platform. That's why when I saw the Tortilla 360 at Photobooth Expo in Las Vegas, the compact design and the quick setup immediately caught my attention. I thought if this could actually make 360 events smoother for my team, it would be a game changer. And now, after using it for almost 2 years, I've put it to the test. Quick pause before we dive into the pros. If you're newer to the industry, one of the biggest mistakes I see is not having a solid client contract. That can lead to refunds, disputes, and stressful nights. That's why I've put together a free photo booth contract template to help protect your business. You can download it using the link in the description below. Alright, let's start with the pros, because the Tortilla 360 has been a breath of fresh air compared to other platforms I've owned. Pro number 1, lightweight and portable. One of the biggest complaints I had with other 360s was the weight. Just getting them into vehicles was a 2-person job, and my team hated it. Many of my attendants are smaller women. Lifting those heavy platforms was exhausting. The Tortilla changed that completely. It's light enough for one person to handle, and the custom case is designed so a single person can transport and roll it easily. That makes a big difference in how smooth our events run. Pro number 2, the fast setup in under a minute. My Zentek and OrcaView both required at least 15 to 25 minutes of setup with screws and tools that could easily get lost. The Tortilla, on the other hand, sets up in under a minute with its default configuration. There's no loose screws or tools to worry about, which is a huge deal for me. I've actually lost screws at events in the past, and it's stressful trying to make things work with duct tape last minute. With the Tortilla, there's nothing to lose, nothing to get damaged, and setup is stress-free. Pro number 3, super strong spinning motor and professional camera support. The motor on the Tortilla is powerful and reliable. I've actually upgraded my Tortilla to run a full-frame cinema camera and a mini tablet for sending videos, something my old 360 couldn't handle. My Zentek motor struggled even with just a mirrorless camera, but the Tortilla handles the weight without issue. And here's the thing, when you're charging premium rates like we are, showing up with a GoPro or an iPhone just doesn't feel premium. And when clients use the booth, they definitely notice. Using a full frame camera on our Tortilla immediately elevates the experience and can justify those higher price tags. Pro number 4, the guest experience. The Tortilla platform is stable and big enough for multiple guests, which weddings and corporate activations love. People feel safe stepping on, and the spin is smooth. Clients love the wow factor, and it always draws a crowd. Pro number 5, it's team approved. My team loves this booth. They've told me it's their favorite 360 to set up because it's simple, doesn't require tools, and it saves them energy for the actual event. And honestly, when my team is happy and confident at an event, I'm happy. Pro number 6, PBSCO credibility. The Photobooth Supply Co has a strong reputation in our industry, and the Tortilla carries that brand trust. Clients see the polished look and the professional build, and it instantly reassures them they're working with pros. Pro number 7, software integration. The Tortilla works seamlessly with top 360 software platforms, so you can deliver slow motion cinema style clips that guests love to share right away. Apps like Fiesta, Luma Booth, and DSLR Booth all run smoothly on Tortilla. That instant delivery makes the booth even more valuable for both weddings and corporate activations. Here's the thing, having a 360 is one part of the equation, but getting clients to book it is another. That's why I've created custom promotional videos that you can brand with your logo and use for your marketing and website. Whether you own a modern open air booth, a 360 like the Tortilla, or even a wooden glamour booth like the one behind me, these promo videos are designed to attract higher end, higher budget clients who want something memorable. They're perfect for your website, Instagram, or even ads. Check out my shop links in the description below if you're ready to take your marketing to the next level. Alright, now, no booth is perfect. Let's talk about the cons. Number 1, the price point. In my opinion, the Tortilla is actually priced competitively. It's slightly more than some other well-known brands, but here's the difference. You're paying for a thoughtful, lightweight focused design, quality materials, ease of setup, and the high quality cases that come included. For me, that makes the extra cost worth it. Con number 2, the aesthetics. The Tortilla looks clean and professional, but I think it could use some visual improvement. It's a plain black and white platform, which is great for blending into many types of events, but I'd love to see some attract lights similar to what you get on other 360s, or maybe like the guac and salsa photo booths. Having attract lights gives you flexibility. You can dial up the party vibe or tone it down depending on the event. I'm actually in the process of adding my own LED lighting to my Tortilla 360 soon. Comment below if you'd like me to make a video showing what that looks like. Alright, next on the cons, the rolling case design. Don't get me wrong, the cases are extremely high quality and durable, but here's the challenge. The main case only rolls in one direction. That means you can't roll it side to side. And when you want to try and get it through a standard doorway, you have to drag it sideways, which can get annoying when loading in and out of venues. The good news is I came up with a fix by adding new dolly wheels to make it easier. If you want to see how I solved this problem, check out my Fixed It video linked in the description below or in the YouTube card right up here. The next con, the platform size. The Tortilla platform is actually a standard industry size that can safely fit up to 3 or maybe 4 depending on the group. It's designed this way to prioritize portability and the ease of transport. But if your market demands larger setups where 5 to 8 people want to jump on at once, you'll want to look at other brands that build oversized platforms. For me though, the trade-off of portability versus maximum capacity makes sense. But it's something you want to be aware of depending on the clients that you serve. So what's the deal, Charles? Who is the Tortilla 360 for? For me, it's for photo booth owners who want to add a polished, professional 360 to their lineup without the frustration of heavy gear and long setups. If your business already serves weddings and corporate activations, and you're ready to offer something interactive and premium, this 360 booth is worth considering. Who's it not for? If you're brand new to this business, only running small casual events, or you're not ready to market and price your 360 booth correctly, this might not be the right fit just yet. It's also not for those who want to fit more than 5 people on a platform at the same time. The Tortilla is designed for portability and ease of use, not for maximum capacity. Here's my take. The Tortilla 360 booth by Photobooth Supply Co is one of the smartest designed 360s I've used. It solves the biggest headaches I had with other booths, the heavy weight, the long setup times, and the weak motors. Instead, you get a lightweight, easy to transport platform that sets up in under a minute, can handle professional cameras, and delivers a guest experience that wows clients. It's not for everyone, it comes at a premium price, and like all 360s, it requires some thought about your market and how you position it. But if you want a reliable, professional 360 platform that makes life easier for you, your team, and leaves clients impressed, the Tortilla is a booth to seriously consider. And if you're ready to grab one, make sure you use my special Photobooth CEO link in the description below to get the best pricing available. And if you want to see my very first impression of the Tortilla 360 live at Photobooth Expo, check out that video next. You'll see me testing it on the spot, talking with the PBSCO team, and sharing my honest thoughts. Click on that video and I'll see you there.